The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Rock County in southwestern Minnesota, northwestern Nobles County in southwestern Minnesota, Murray County in southwestern Minnesota, southeastern Pipestone County in southwestern Minnesota, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Koski to near Beaver Creek, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Troski around 3:30 p.m. Edgerton around 3:35 p.m. Hardwick and Blue Mountain State Park around 3:40 p.m.
Are you kidding me?
Woodstock around 3:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Chandler, Leota, Lake Wilson, Littmore, Wilmot, and Slayton. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for southwestern Minnesota. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for southwestern Minnesota. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Nobles, Pipestone, Rock, and Murray.